In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage notifications in Basecamp. Adjusting your notification settings can help you stay informed without being overwhelmed by constant updates. Let's get started. First, sign in to your Basecamp account and click on your profile picture or account menu. From there, select Notifications or Notification Settings. This is where you can control how and when Basecamp alerts you about project activity. Next, review the available notification options. You can choose to receive updates for messages, to-dos, comments, schedules, and other project activities. Take a moment to decide which notifications are important for your role and which ones you can reduce. You can also customize how you receive notifications, whether by email, mobile app, or both. If you're receiving too many alerts, consider limiting notifications to only the projects and activities that require your attention. Once you've updated your preferences, click Save to apply your changes. Your new settings will take effect immediately and help you maintain a better balance between staying informed and staying productive. And that's how to manage notifications in Basecamp. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Happy project managing!